Hey everybody, Marshall. We decided to do something different today. I'm just sitting out here on my front porch. It's been raining pretty much all day. And we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing out here. Now, I received this from Amazon. Oh, I got it maybe a day or two ago. A couple days ago at the max, and I bought this. Now this is bought with my own money. Oh yeah. Now, as those of you know who saw my last video, Malibu Kayaks, the one I got off of a Facebook marketplace for like half price compared to what they cost brand new. I said on there that they don't come with a kayak seat, and I said on there I was going to be ordering one. Well, I went on Amazon and ordered this one right here. I think the company's called Seamander. They're an Amazon seller, and this is the kayak seat that I got from them. It was what, $39.99 I think it is, with free shipping. And as of course you could see, it's got, at least got the brass hooks on it, clasp and everything. There you go. And there you go. We got cushion in here, and then of course at the back. Now what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to put this on the kayak, and then I'm going to use it when I go out fishing a couple times. I'll come back and give you my opinion whether I think it's worth what I paid for it. They got it here in decent time, considering how mail can be messed up right now. But I definitely know it's going to be better than not having any seat. Alright, give me a minute. We might go ahead and try to attach this thing. Alright guys, I'm back. There it is. Got it strapped to the front on both sides. Got it strapped to the back on both sides. Now, of course, when I'm out on the water, I'll probably have to adjust it a little bit to get it just right. Hope you enjoyed this. Peace. Marshall out.